In this video, I'll show you how to add ISO backup games to RPCS3 game list and run them smoothly. Navigate to the game file, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. Once extract done, open the RPCS3 and drag and drop the extracted folder in RPCS3. And as you can see, the game is added. Make sure you check this pre-compile caches and select OK. Click on OK. Now the game is added. The game has update available. You need to update before playing the game. Check my video description for this video link. Watch this video and update the RPCS3 games. Once you update the game, double click on the game to launch. And as you can see, an update is required to play. So watch the video and update the game. Once you update done, you can able to play the game without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.